Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is mechanical energy and how is it different from thermal energy? What are the different types of mechanical energy in moving fluid? So, mechanical energy is a form of energy that can be converted from mechanical work and directly to the mechanical device, transmitted. Okay. Thermal energy differs as it cannot be converted to work directly, and the types of mechanical energy in fluid is kinetic, potential, and flow energy. So here is a more in-depth and wordy explanation. So it goes over the same stuff. They give you an example such as a propeller for mechanical work, and they talk about how thermal energy can't be converted to work directly. Okay, so before we leave, I highly suggest you save this video onto your PC using snipping tool. If you never used it before, you can follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to Windows Search, type in snipping tool. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. So thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.